Hello students, today I will be taking your value education class of class 3. Okay, and today I will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, Prince Siddhartha. Okay, so open page number 40 of your value education book, page number 40. Okay, and you can see 4 pictures over there. Let's discuss these 4 pictures. First picture, it's not fair. Why do you always get the bigger piece? So you can see that the girl has got the bigger piece and the boy has got the smaller piece. So why it is? It is unfair, isn't it? They both should have the equal pieces, isn't it? Picture number 2. Here you go. Books for Lavish and toys for Kavya, just as you wanted. So you can see a father has brought books for Lavish and toys for Kavya, just like they wanted. So this is the equal things the father bought for both of them. Picture number 3. This Smiley award is for behaving well in class. Well done, Shikha. So the teacher is giving the Smiley award to Shikha because she is being a good girl and she behaved very well in the class. So this is like serving justice to Shikha. The teacher is giving award to Shikha. Picture number 4. Arun, you did not do your homework. As punishment, you will now have to write it 5 times. So we can see that teacher is angry with the student Arun who has not done his homework. So the teacher is giving punishment to Arun and he need to write it 5 times now. So the justice is being served. So from these 4 pictures we can see that everything should be justiciable. Okay, justice should be everywhere. Now let's read the story, page number 41. Okay, Prince Siddhartha was very kind to people, animals and all living things. Okay, one day he was walking in the woods with his cousin Devadatta. So with his cousin Devadatta he was walking in the woods. Devadatta saw a swan flying above their heads. He shot at it with his bow and arrow. His arrow brought the swan down. The boys rushed to the swan. So Devadatta shot the swan with his arrow and they bought that his arrow brought the swan down and the boys rushed to the swan. Siddhartha picked up the bleeding swan. To his surprise, he found that it was still alive. So Siddhartha found that the swan was still alive. He gently pulled out the arrow from the swan's wing. He got a little juice from some neem leaves, put it on the wound to stop the bleeding. So Siddhartha got a little juice from the neem leaves. Neem leaves is very healing. Neem leaves have very good healing power. And this is also very good for health. Put it on the wound to stop the bleeding and stroke the swan with his soft hands. Devadatta said, "Give me my bird. I shot it down, so it is mine." Now Devadatta is saying that I shot the swan, so it is mine. But Prince Siddhartha did not give the swan to Devadatta. Instead, he said, "I saved the swan, so it is mine." This made Devadatta very angry. So Siddhartha is now saying that I saved the swan, so the swan is mine. They went to their teacher to find out whose swan it was. The teacher listened to both the boys. Then he said, "Life is precious, so we need to keep it safe." So the teacher told to both the boys that life is precious, we need to keep it safe. A living thing belongs to the one who saves its life. So a living thing always belongs to the one who saves its life and not to the one who tries to kill it. Then, so it is a just decision. It is now a just decision to say that the swan belongs to Siddhartha. So the swan belongs to Siddhartha because Siddhartha tried to save the swan's life. So it belongs to Siddhartha. And every life is precious and important, isn't it? So from this chapter, from this story, we come to know that justice should be everywhere and we need to save every life. Okay. Now come to the exercises. turn to page number 42. You can see the tick the correct answers there. Let me do this. Number 1. When Siddhartha saw the swan was still alive, he wanted to option A, kill it, or option B, save it. What? Option B, save it. Isn't it? Option B, save it. Siddhartha did not give the swan to Devdatta because option A, he was sure that Devdatta would kill the swan, or option B, he did not like Devdatta. What would be the correct option? Option A is the correct option, isn't it? He was sure that Devdatta would kill the swan. So 2A is the correct option. Number 3. Give me my bird, I shot it down. Devdatta said this. This shows option A, his cruel nature, or option B, his kind nature. So it is obviously this shows his cruel nature. So number 3, option A is the correct option, his cruel nature. Number 4, the teacher said that option A, life is precious, so we need to keep it safe, or option B, life does not matter. So we know that the teacher said that life is precious, so we need to keep it safe. So here 4A is the correct option again. Number 5. It was a just decision to say that the swan belonged to whom? Option A, to the one who saved it, or option B, to the one who hurt it. We come to know from the story that it was just a decision to say that the swan belonged, option A, to the one who saved it. Okay. So, tick the correct answer is completed. Now come to the question answers part. I will just discuss the question and answers. First one. What kind of person was Prince Siddhartha? We come to know from the story that Prince Siddhartha was very kind to people, animals and all living things. So, Prince Siddhartha was very kind to people, animals and all living things. Question number 2. Why was Prince Siddhartha surprised? Prince Siddhartha was surprised because he found that the swan was still alive after being shot by the arrow. So, Prince Siddhartha was surprised to see that he found that the swan was still alive after being shot by the arrow, isn't it? Question number 3. Do you think the teacher's justice was right? Do you think? Yes, obviously. Do you think the teacher's justice was right? Yes, because the teacher has said that life is precious and we need to keep it safe. This is the just decision, isn't it? And the swan belongs to Siddhartha. This is the just decision. So, I think that the teacher's justice was right. Okay. Now, we will read some points from here. That is, you can see in page number 44, remember part. You can see page number 44, remember part, that point number 1, smile and greet people in a friendly manner. Always we need to smile and greet people in a friendly manner. We all know, isn't it? Point number 2, be polite to people. Use words such as please, thank you as often as you can. So we need to be polite and we need to use such words like please, thank you more often as we can. Point number 3, share with people and help them. So we need to share things as much as we can and we need to always help people. Okay. So these 3 points you need to keep it in mind. Okay. And today I have completed the chapter even. Okay. So today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye.